Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these garlic parmesan chicken wings. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Let's get to making these chicken wings. They're going to be super delicious. The method to cook them is super simple. We don't need to do, some extravagant process. We're just going to put them on the baking sheet. We've got the oven preheating at 400. I'm going to season them with salt and pepper, and we're going to bake them until they're nice and crispy. It doesn't matter if they're touching because they're going to shrink. So depending on the size of your wings is how long they're going to take. These wings are pretty small, so these are probably not going to take as long as some of the wings that you can buy in the grocery store that are like chicken legs. So I'm just gonna lay all of these out on this baking sheet. Okay, we fit as many as we could. We got almost all of them onto this sheet tray. Like I said before, it's okay if they are touching, they're going to shrink. So now I'm going to season these with salt and pepper. I'm using kosher salt. Okay, we got these all seasoned up. They're gonna go in a 400-degree oven, like I said before, until they're crispy, because these are smaller. If you've got bigger chicken wings, they're going to take longer, probably about 40 minutes or so. You want to flip them halfway through, but yeah, until they're good and crispy. Okay, we just pulled the wings out of the oven and they're nice and crispy. So now let's make the garlic parmesan sauce that we're going to mix them with. For that, we've got 1 stick of butter, which is half a cup, and it's melted. 4 cloves of minced garlic, and 3/4 of a cup of Parmesan cheese. So we're gonna mix this up. That is our garlic Parmesan sauce. We've got our wings, they're really crispy. I'm gonna put them in this bowl. And now let's pour our sauce. Oh yeah. We're gonna stir it all up and it's gonna melt onto the wings as we toss them on there. Look at that. Oh man, that looks good. Okay, now we're gonna dump the wings onto this pretty platter. Oh my goodness. This is my husband's heaven right here. Wow, look at that. That looks amazing. Okay, let's try a tiny little wing. Those are good. Guys, you're gonna love this recipe. And if you also want something to serve with it, how about these keto chocolate chip cookies? They are amazing. I'm pretty sure that on my blog they have over 100 5-star reviews, maybe more, I don't know. So check those out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.